Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Google Ads using two-step verification, full guide step-by-step clearly. To authenticate with Google Ads using two-step verification, start by opening your web browser. Go to the Google Ads website and log in with your Google account credentials. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. Look for the security section within the settings menu. If you don't have two-step verification enabled, click on the option to set it up. Follow the prompts to start the two-step verification process. You will be prompted to enter a phone number for receiving verification codes. Choose whether you want to receive codes via text message or phone call. After entering your number, click on the Next button. You will receive a verification code on your chosen method. Enter that code into the designated field and click Verify. Once verified, you'll have the option to enable backup codes. These codes can be used in case you do not have access to your phone. Be sure to save the backup codes in a secure place. If you want extra security, consider using an authenticator app. Popular options include Google Authenticator or Authy. Download the app and follow the instructions to link it to your Google account. Once linked, you can start using the app to generate verification codes. After setting up, every time you log into Google Ads, you will need to enter a code. This adds an extra layer of security to your account. Make sure to regularly update your recovery options to maintain account security. You are now authenticated with Google Ads using two-step verification. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.